Hey, what's up guys? Today, I'm going to show you 5 super easy and quick transitions you can use in your music videos using Premiere Pro. These are fast, simple, and will make your edits look way more professional. So let's jump right into it. Exposure flash effect. First, cut your clip, 1 frame in the middle and 4 frames on each side. Select the first frame, go to Lumetri Color, and turn the exposure all the way up. Now copy it. Ctrl+C, select every alternate frame by holding Shift, then paste the effect and boom. You get this awesome flashing transition that adds energy and makes your cuts look way more dynamic. Transition 2, 100+ seamless transitions for Premiere Pro. This pack contains over 100 premium transitions with 22 different categories that you can use to speed up your workflow and elevate your next visuals. Here is the link in the description to get it. And there is also a free sample pack you can try at no cost from the link. For this one, we're going to use a glitch effect to create high energy motion between clips. Right-click in your project panel, create an adjustment layer, and drag it onto your timeline. Trim it down and place it between your 2 clips. Go to the Effects panel and search for Glitch Effect. Now, apply Glitch Effect. Let's play it back. See the difference? It makes the transition feel way smoother and faster. If you don't like that one, try others or experiment with different effects. This is a go-to transition I use in almost every music video I edit. Transition 3, Smooth Zoom Effect. Alright, moving on to a clean zoom transition. Super easy to do. Create a new adjustment layer and place it above your clips. Go to Effects and search for Transform, then drag and drop it onto the layer. In Effect Controls, turn off Use Composition Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 150 for motion blur. Now go to the middle of the transition and set Scale to 150. At the end, reset it back to 100. Let's check it out. Looks super smooth, right? Lens Distortion Warp. We've got a cool warp distortion effect. This one is super fun. Move back 3 frames and cut, then move forward 3 frames and cut again. Select those frames, nest them together into a sequence. Go to Effects and apply Lens Distortion. Keyframe the curvature. Start at 0, go up to 77 halfway through, then back to 0. Now when you play it back, you get this trippy warping effect that really makes the transition pop. Transition 5, Overlay Effect. Last but not least, let's add a glitch overlay for that retro VHS style effect. Open up Overlay and drag one of them onto your timeline. Trim it so it lines up perfectly with the transition. If needed, scale it up, especially for 4K footage. Go to Blend Mode and set it to Linear Dodge. Add. And just like that, you get this super dope glitch transition. It's one of my favorite ways to add a unique vibe to a video. And there you have it. 5 easy and quick transitions you can use to take your music videos to the next level in Premiere Pro. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.